Scarlett, get it back. Go, Ella, that's the ball. Go, Ella. Unlucky, Rosie, unlucky.
Retreat, girls.
Retreat line, girls. Four high press. Four high press. Go. Go for us. No retreat. No retreat. Mark. Scarlett, there. Scarlett, you have to stay there. That's your mark, Scarlett. Her. No retreat. No retreat. Turn. Go. Retreat line, girls. Four high press. You guys on the white line. Defenders on the white. Go for it, Ella. Go for it, Ella. Create space. Too much pressure, Annie. Now get wide. Get wide. Hey, Scarlett. Yes, line. Down the line, Ella. Go, Scarlett. Go, Scarlett. Go. On your back, Scarlett. Go. 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 Shoot, girl. Ella, call for it down the line. Call for the ball. Run back, Scarlett. When Scarlett makes... Hannah, relieve the pressure, Hannah. Very good, Scarlett. Scarlett, you gotta come back. Come back, Scarlett. You got the subs? Yeah. You're ready to sub, okay? So what's Mark up!
Monica, you're on fire. Yes. Dribble in. There we go. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Get in there, Rachel. Get on them. Good job, Rosie. And you'll let the referee know.
Leave that. Hey, forward, girls, defense, forward, because they're not there.
Oh, okay. So they come out.
Scarlett! Scarlett, too high! Scarlett, too high! Scarlett! Come back! Yep, that's fine. Stay there, Scarlett, don't.
Your ball, Lauren.
Now get big! Get big! Oh, use it that way, Jake. Yeah. When the subs go, they won't be Yes, Ella. Yes. Now, Mark. 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 Yes, yeah. Jackie, they want them to come out here, outside the box, wait, on the line. Who's watching the game? Go, McKenna, go! Go, Anna, go, dribble, space! Unlucky. Hey, Raylan, remember your side. Hannah up. Yeah, Hannah. Braylon, that's you. Step in, Ray. Lucky it's your ball anyways, girls. Olivia, take the space down the line. Olivia, take the space. Other side now. Very good. Get back. Very good. Go. Turn.
Get wide, Olivia.
Go for it, Morgan. Oh, unlucky, Morgan. Let's go, Morgan! Pass it back, McKenna, relieve the pressure. Yeah, other side now. Other side!
That's it, Katie! That's it, Katie!
There you go! Turn Anna, go! Anna, go!
Yes, Anna! Yes, Anna!
Go! Morgan, this is you, girl! Very good! Press her, girls! Press her! Press her! Good shot. Hannah, reset it! Annie Vaughn.
Okay.
Rosie, higher. Scarlett, wait there. Yes. Oh. Are you, Annie, are you okay? Okay. Scarlett, drop. Rosie, you should be the high one. Ella, why are you there? That's you, Scarlett. That's you, Scarlett. Yes. Get back. Liana, turn. Very good. Go, Scarlett. Now cross. Very good. Unlucky. Scarlett to the middle. Ella to the outside post. Ella, I don't want you going so far. I want you on the outside post. Girls, what are you guys doing? You guys are looking at bags. Okay, Scarlett, you're dribbling. You're going for straight. No, Scarlett, wait! Scarlett, wait! They're stopping, girls! Stop the ball! It's so much faster than they can do stuff on the fly for them at this
This
age.
is what we're asking to do, though.
Oh, are you guys?
Yes, it's part of the
Scarlett, I want you to dribble. Hey, Raylan, why are you so in? Raylan! Hey, way over here. Hey, there. Go, Scarlett, take a crack at it. Raylan, look at me. You do this all the time. You're bunching up on your own defender. When we have possession, you're right. You're not subbing yet. Retreat line, girls. Ella, it's retreat line. As soon as she passes, go. Face them, face. Ella, go. Oh, this is so disorganized. Corner.
Refs up.
Refs up. Do you need my voice? Refs up.
Girls would stay.
She needs to. Okay, Scarlett, pass it back. Too much pressure. Pass it back. Yes. Raylan, what have I asked you to do? Take a touch.
Don't stay, girls.
Stay.
Call them and wait for them to shoot.
Ella, Rosie. Who's the one staying on? Hey,
Move up, Olivia.
Hannah. Sorry, no. Morgan, you're the high press on her. Ella, you can start. Olivia, here. Morgan, stand between her and the net. No, Morgan, stand between her and Ella. Sorry, Olivia, slide back. Press.
Get the
Girls,
ball, girls.
Morgan, get the ball.
Anna, watch your side.
Hey, girls, come on. Press. Get out the net. Mark up. Olivia, mark up. Olivia.
Yeah, just come on in and we'll wait for the game to start. Thank you. Yes, Rose.
Scarlet, turn.
Take her, take her.
Turn.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good.
Keep going, Rangers!
Yes. Austin, you gotta come back and work. Andy, why are you on me?
Just take it. Watch your body, Ella. Get it.
Up, Scarlett. Down, girl. I like that.
Whistle for the half.
Okay, let's go. Go, girls, come on in. Wrong side, you two. Deanna, other side. Hey, Hannah, you gotta come in. Liana, Hannah. Fine, perfect.
Tune in, Rangers!
Forward motion. Just get back, Danny. Very good, Scarlett, go. Go, Morgan, move.
Get up there, Lydia. Get up there for Scarlett.
Very good.
Stick in there.
I don't mind that, Scarlett. Pick it up, Charlotte. Very good. Hey, Scarlett. Better to use Scarlett. Better to put
To
it
the
up.
sides, Charlotte. To the sides. Drop the D. Drop the D.
Liana, drop back.
Hey, drop the D.
Go!
Yep.
Don't bunch up. My girls, don't bunch up. Don't bunch up. Scarlett, you got to cross now. Scarlett, move forward.
It's okay, now get wide. Be an option.
Keep it in, Hannah.
Nice try.
Hey, girls, we do not need to switch there. Put it here, right? Okay.
Olivia.
Scarlett, Mark. Scarlett, Mark.
No, Olivia. Over here.
Liana, come forward. You're playing great, girls.
That's better coverage.
Better. Press her. Press them.
Yep.
Yes, Lord. Get it back.
Two in there!
Get it back.
Go, B. Go.
Let's see, Hannah.
Push off!
That's fine.
Try, Hannah.
Rangers, keep the pressure up here. Keep the pressure. Come on.
Olivia.
Press. Press. That's you, Liana. Go forward.
Go wide. Go.
Go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, Olivia.
That's okay. Go. Go.
Don't bunch up.
Yes, go. Keep going.
Yes!
Go.
Get back, Scarlett. Get it back. Scarlett, get it back. Liana, other side. Yep.
That's okay. Good
That's
job,
fine,
Hannah.
Liana. You guys know your subs? Hey,
The ball's way up here. You guys know your names.
press. Yeah. Olivia, don't be scared of the ball. Go.
Yes, go.
Go. Go, Morgan. Go, Morgan. Yes, Annie.
Good job, girls. Keep up the intensity.
D. Guys, you are way too wide, defenseman. Liana, look at me. Yes. 4 high press. Four high press. Go, Morgan. Okay, you Scar.
Get wide, Olivia.
Mark up Scarlett between her and the net.
Olivia, pick up 11. Give that to Liana.
Go, go, everyone press.
We're not subbing right now. We're just getting ready.
Give it, you guys. Working. Why are you? Girls.
It's okay, Lauren. It's your ball.
Scarlett, make your subs, girls.
Pull them off. Stay until they come. Stay until they come. Girls, hurry
Let's
up.
go.
Liana, stay. Liana, stay. Rosie, stay back.
Here we go, Rosie. Shoot it. Retreat.
Sophia, that's your ball.
No, no. Hey, defenseman, stay on the yellow. Stay on the yellow. Go, go, press, press. Come on, Rosie, press her. Go, Rosie. Come on, Rosie.
Okay, no retreat. Press up. Stop.
Get ready to run off the ball.
Ava. Just wait. Go.
Sophia, hold that.
She needs to be very firm. She
Go, girls, go.
Press, press, press! McKenna, hang back. It's Rosie. You're the high press. You're the striker. Hey, defenseman, get ready. Go, McKenna. McKenna, you're strong. Yes, Ella, go for it. Good. Very good. Retreat line. It's a 4 high press. Wait. Girls, face her. Face her as soon as she lets it go. 4 high press, go. 4 high press. Come on, Ella. Yes, girl. Orange, I need you high. Ella, it's your dribble in. It's your dribble. Anna, go to the net. Give me all the space. Who's here? Switch. You gotta get it now, Liana. Not in front of the net. Not in front of the net. Liana. There you go. Olivia, play. Hey. Liana. Yeah, we're gonna leave.
Go first. Go to Rosie.
Get it out. Anna, dribble in. Dribble.
Great position.
Good hustle, Rosalie.
Go for it.
Yes.
Step in, Liana. Step in. Very good. It's out on you. It's out on you. Now, Liana, look at me. Coaching moment. We never pass in front of the net. Never. All serves. Break this ball, girls.
She said orange, guys.
Yeah, so when it's Taylor, you gotta point that direction.
You did
Yes.
point that direction.
Yes.
Before. I get confused. Look, I'm studying
Center mid. McKenna stay. Okay.
there. Retreat.
Take your subs now.
Call them off.
Call them off. McKenna, you're going into D. Raylan! Raylan!
Hurry up, Ray.
Raylan, let's go! Yes. Okay, get it back. Go for it, Scarlett. Forward motion. Forward motion. Yes. Annie, Darling. Hey, Hannah, tuck in. Hannah, tuck in. This way. Yes. Dump it. Yes. Very good.
Go support her.
ball. It's our ball. Retreat line, girls. Wait for them to retreat. Don't.
Push! Push!
Girls. Yes. Girls, make sure you pass.
Yes, Hannah! Go, Olivia!
There you go.
Mark up, Annie! Between them and the net! Olivia, other side!
Olivia, in between them and the net. Olivia, in between them and the net. Olivia, between them and the net. You're not between them and the net. There, press her.
Now go.
Go. Up the
Send
field.
it! Yes!
Go, Olivia, all the way. All the way. Shoot her out. Shoot her out.
Girls, ball set center, let's go!
Hey, running a 4 high press. You can sub right now. Girls make the subs if they can.
Up! Hey, let's go!
Get in the back. McKenna. McKenna, you're still on.
Rangers, dig deep.
Scarlet striker, McKenna midfield. Hannah D. Scarlet, you're the striker. High 4 high press. Yes, Ella, look for Scarlet. Look at Scarlet. Go to it, Scarlet. Unlucky. Scarlet, stand in between her. Rosie, mark up.
I just want to yell so they can show up.
Get it back, McKenna. Don't punch up. Girls, talk. Talk.
Substitution!
Lizard ball. Oh, it's a sub too. Wait, girls, wait.
Wait!
Wait. Get it back to. Take it. Rosie, you're going to dribble forward into space. Wait for the whistle. Wait for the whistle. Go. Forward. Dribble forward. Dribble forward. Go, Scarlet.
Unlucky! Yes, Rosie! Good ball! That was a good ball, Rosie!
Hey, Rosie, get ready to press.
Yes, Ray, you should be there. Hannah, that's your player.
Hannah, Morgan.
Hannah.
Hannah, that's your player, 7. Behind you. Hannah, get between her and the net.
Working, girls!
Press her, Rosie. Get it. Hannah. Very good, Hannah. That's foul. Use your whistle, please. Wait. Okay, Scarlett, you gotta step in here in a sec. Defenders.
Up the line, Ella!
Away from the net, girls.
Yes, go.
Ella, find Scarlett now. Ella, find Scarlett. You gotta keep it. Hey, it's there where you have to find it. Pass it out.
Martha!
Go move into the back. And you did it for Go Scarlett, go for it. Scarlett, you're the striker. Go Ella. Ella, right now let's cross. Ella, perfect. You're Make a switch to Scarlett. Make a switch to Scarlett. Dribble forward, Ella. Forward. Get it back now. Get it back.
Don't stop.
Watch out, Scarlett. Go for it, Ross. Scarlett to the net. Ella, no. Go, Ella. Go to the net, Scarlett.
Get up here!
Very good, Hannah. You're go. Hey, I want to play the switch to Scarlett. Find your angle. Not on this shift. You're not on it yet. Find the switch for Scarlett. Across. Yes. One more. Up the flank. Up the other way. Here you go. Ella, you got it. Girls. Go. Rosie. Now look up the line.